뭐 하고 싶어? What do you wanna do? Tuesday, April 28th, 2026.
Today's pattern.
너 취미가 뭐야? What do you do for fun? 나는 데이트를 나가. I usually go on a date. 너는? How about you? 나는 보통 책을 읽어. I normally read books. 정말? 난 너 책 읽는지 몰랐는데. Really? I didn't know you read books.
Ask yourself. Answer yourself.
너는 최근에 본 영화가 뭐야? What's the movie you watched lately? 나는 최근에 본 영화가 없어. I haven't seen any movies lately.